Hey guys, Patrick here, and I'm super excited to show you this brand new turbo blower fan that WOLFBOX sent me. I'm a huge WOLFBOX fan. This is their brand new Mega Flow 60, so I'm going to flip this around, show you everything that is included. These things are killer. All right guys, so here is the box. Like normal, great box, but it's just a box, so let's open it up, see everything that we're going to get. Right on top we've got some foam. We'll pull this out. So you're going to have your user manual right on front. And then, oh, this is cool. A nice little diagram that shows you everything on it. The air inlet, charging port, power button, start, stop, battery indicator. That's cool. And then this is the actual unit itself. So we've got our charging cable right here. This is a USB to USB-C, and that's a nice braided cable. And then we're going to have 4 attachments that we can put on. We're going to have a shorter one, a longer one. It's kind of more of a fine tip with 2 sides that come out. That's actually super useful for cleaning things, like we have a little AC unit at the office, and that kind of tip works really well. And then you got this kind of diagonal one. So that's super cool. This is the actual item. Oh, and it comes with one on here. So you actually have 5 different tips. That's cool. So just turn, that unlocks, and that pops off. Put it on, turn, locks into place. That is slick. So this is what she looks like. Very, very nice. We've got our USB-C charging port right here, power button right here, and we're going to have our wind speed option right here once you turn it on. So let's see if there's any power. We'll hold that. Boom, we got a full charge. It looks like 3 bars. So once it's on, you can press this. Right now it's in high. You can press it, it'll go down to medium and then to low. And then this is going to be our actual fan button to get it to work. Ooh, there's a light in there too. Oh, there's 3 lights in there. All right, so that is low. That's going to be medium. Oh, I'm feeling that. And you can go down to low and it'll stay on. And then this is going to be high. Now for high, you're going to have to hold it on. Oh wow, that is some power in a very small package. That looks cool, feels cool. Now let me go outside and show you putting this to test on a dirty brick sidewalk in front of my house. Let's go see what it looks like. All right guys, let's put the WOLFBOX to the test. This is in high. Pretty darn good. All right, you guys just saw this thing in real time working, blowing off a bunch of dust, dirt, debris, leaves, you name it, off the front porch and the front porch bench and all over. It's dusty, it's dirty, and this thing made light work of it. Would definitely recommend WOLFBOX kills the game. I absolutely love this. It's a little bit smaller than the MF200, but this is really nice. If you're looking for a great air duster that's kind of smaller to medium size, highly recommend this one. Definitely worth checking this out.